Zippy, Leo, and I are going to learn about planets in our solar system today. Space is so big and wonderful. Look at the giant sun. Tiny Mercury is the closest planet, and it is very hot because it stays near fire. Sizzle. Venus is very bright and hot, while our beautiful Earth is full of life, blue oceans, and many green leafy trees.
Mars is called the red planet. It has dusty red rocks and giant mountains that look like a very dry desert. Crunch!
Jupiter is the largest planet of all. It has a giant red spot, which is actually a very big windy storm. Whoosh! Saturn has magnificent rings made of ice and dust. It looks like a giant spinning top in the deep, dark sky. Shimmer. Whoa! Uranus is a very cold blue planet that spins on its side. It looks like a giant rolling ball of ice.
Neptune is the farthest planet, and it is very windy and dark. It is a beautiful, deep blue color out there. Vroom!
All 8 planets travel around the sun in circles. Our solar system is a very amazing place for us to live. Ping! Exploring space with my friends was so much fun. Everyone, friends, please subscribe and ring the bell icon. See you soon. Ding!